What is Toxica, and can the NeuroKnights stop her? Inside every brain is a busy world full of thoughts, feelings, and tiny heroes working every second of the day.
NeuroKnights.
Something dangerous has entered Sam's brain, and it is getting stronger. The more unhealthy choices Sam makes, the stronger Toxica becomes.
Slow down. Stop thinking. Let the chaos grow.
Warning. Neural pathways blocked. Anomaly detected. System integrity compromised. Immediate stabilization required.
Toxica is disrupting Sam's brain activity.
We have a serious problem. Toxica is disrupting Sam's brain activity.
Messages are getting delayed. Signals are not reaching where they should. I'm coming, guide! If this continues, Sam will feel worse.
Hey, don't worry. Everything will be all right.
Huh?
I will begin repairs immediately, but I need protection.
Nothing will get through me.
Sam feels confused and a little scared. Oh, my head.
His body needs rest. His rhythm is off.
He knows what is right. We need to remind him.
This is our mission. Protect the brain. Restore balance.
Let's go! Here I come! On my mark! For the team! Watch my spell. I'm coming through.
NeuroKnights.
You cannot stop it.
The battle has begun. Will the NeuroKnights defeat Toxica? Or will the fog take over Sam's brain?
NeuroKnights.